morning, chat. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Where are my North Americans at? Because let me lower this down. Yo, the amount of snow we just got in the last 24 hours is making me upset, chat. Is making me upset. Oh, there you go, Scott. See? Guys, I'm currently destroying the market. Let's go. I love that for you. I'm not leaving until February. Laugh my ass off, bro. The amount of snow, chat, we just got in the last 24 hours. That's why we're a little bit late this morning, but we're here. Ship me some real snow in Texas. We got basically ice. Yeah, so what happened in Texas? Because I've seen there's a lot of people on social media I follow over there in Texas. Was it you guys didn't get snow, right? So it was just, what was it, just freezing rain? It turned into ice? You know the drill. Cheers to coffee. Good luck to everyone this week. Practice patience. Let's go. Time isn't real. W, bro. That's W advice right there. I like that. Snow turned into ice. Yo, this is becoming an ongoing meme. Jan, what's good, bro? Hope you had a good weekend. This guy comes in, chat. He goes, no problem about the snow. Can we check gold? This guy knows. This guy knows. Oh my god. Yo, listen, chat. Snow USD is at all-time highs, bro. Snow USD is definitely at all-time highs. Definitely at all-time highs. I'm just gonna finish my breakfast for the next 2 minutes, chat, while we talk and hang out. I hope you guys had a good weekend. We miss Wifey. Oh my god, is she not in chat? Is Wifey not in chat? Should we call her? Chat, should we call her right now? Unbelievable. We miss Wifey. Wifey doesn't love us anymore. We tried to get her on cam, chat. She's
I'm too smart for that.
She's going to work soon. So she's just getting out of bed. She's still in bed, chat. We got to cut her some slack. We love trading. Wait, chat, listen up. Goku said, we love trading. We hate the cold and ice. And we hate all-time highs. I love it. I love it. Does she trade? She doesn't trade, chat. Alright. Yo, Damien, chill on me, bro. Maybe I'll leave my breakfast plate over here. Hopefully that doesn't look. Does that look ugly, chat? Does that look unprofessional of me to leave my breakfast dish on my desk here? Well, guess what? I don't care right now. Okay. I just watched your extraordinary webinar. Which webinar did you watch? Okay, chat. Wild market open. Okay? The market broke. Look how we opened up. Oh, wait, whoa. I'm tripping. Over here. That's the wrong gap. Right here. Opened up down here. Sweeps out the liquidity. Boom, we're long. We want to look for longs. So, London, we had a false sell-off from the highs, which is great to see. And we've just engineered liquidity. So, what that means is Marco will be taking longs below this low. No ifs, ands, or buts. With a 240 tick stop. I'll be taking longs below here. And targeting the upside, actually. We got all of these levels to target back up. Alright? But, yes, we are going to be buying NQ today. I don't care what anybody says to me. NQ buys today. Okay? Now, I need everybody to listen up. Listen up. Now we're going to go look at everybody's favorite asset. Gold. Okay? Now we're going to go look at everybody's favorite asset. Ready? Ready? That's my analysis. That's my analysis on gold. Jokes aside, chat. Yo, this is historical times, man. Gold's above 5K. That's crazy. Historical times. Listen, there's going to come a day when we trade this thing again. I'm not even worried, bro. Don't worry. This thing's not going to go up forever. But, bro, we are above 5K. That's crazy. This is historical, bro. You know what's crazy is I remember when I was trading gold years ago, even in like when I was in my learning phases in trading, like down like here, these conditions, and here, like sub 2,000 gold, bro. That's so crazy. And we are at 5K. We're above 5K. Thank you for the YouTube video, Marco W, guys. Yo, chat. Who enjoyed our YouTube video on Saturday? Who enjoyed the YouTube video from Saturday? Talk to me. Who enjoyed the YouTube video from Saturday? We posted a banger on the weekend. Me. Awesome. Everyone, let's go. W's, chat. Yeah, I mean, listen, we had a lot of great feedback on it, so we did something right, which is good to hear. You guys enjoyed it. It was very informative. Let's go, bro. Lots of gems. Amazing, man. I was up till 2 a.m. Damn. Let's go, chat. Yeah, that was a good one. You guys enjoyed it. So, it's good on both ends. It's great when, obviously, the video performs well, but obviously it's double good when you guys enjoy it as well. Usually goes hand in hand, which is good to know. All right, and not for nothing, chat. We're probably going to be parking the bus on Forex this week, unfortunately. Okay? Because, yeah. Holy shit. You know what I mean? Wild moves across the board. UJ... like, look at this sell-off from last week's high to oh my god, almost 600 pips. What's up, Wonder? How we doing, bro? How we doing? GJ, big sell-off from the highs. Yo, chat, like, Forex right now is pretty cooked. In my opinion, and think about this logically for a second, chat. Think about this logically. We've had big moves on the dollar pairs, right? The last couple days, Thursday, Friday. We have FOMC on Wednesday. I can almost guarantee you these these assets from Monday, today, tomorrow, and early Wednesday, range, build, ugly PA. I can promise you. So for my Forex traders out there, great piece of advice. Do not trade them until FOMC Wednesday. Okay? If you're not already in these moves, stay patient, my brothers. Stay patient. And yeah, gold's done. So basically what we're going to be looking at today, chat, is NQ. So lock in. Oh, crypto. So chat, what have we been saying since a couple weeks ago? We said above the highs, which we did. We said 97K and then we said 74K. So 97K, we called that high beautifully. Now we want to see BTC down to 74. And that's it. That's the next destination on BTC, 74K. Alrighty. So we called that high. We called it quite nicely. However, our downside target has not been met. First one, of course, will be 80K, and then it'll be 74. Okay? Very simple, very straightforward. Boom. Thank you. Chat, we have a little bit of an issue. Shit. The coffee is how do I say this without the coffee is hitting right now. The coffee is hitting, chat. So I be right back. Be right back. 2 seconds. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's world record. Chat, my face is itchy right here. Look. I don't know why. Oh, is that a little bug bite? Maybe? My face is itchy. Alright. Love bite? Yeah, look, you can see it, chat. It's red. You see this? I don't know. It's itchy right now, bro. Did you even wipe? Come on. You think I'm a rookie? Did you even wash your hands? I think you guys are underestimating. That was really difficult to pronounce for a moment there. Underestimating my talent in speed. How can I get involved in BTC short? 1 second. 1 second. Chat, my face is fucking itchy, man. I just want to... But it's just going to get more red. Okay, we want to see price to the downside at market open here. Here we go. Market is now open. So we want to see NQ sell off. That's what we want to see here, chat. If NQ flies bullish, we got fucking problems, man. Meaning... Oh, okay. We're getting the pullback. Yes, because you aren't buying gold. Yes, I'm not. I saw the video with you and PJ. Yo, PJ Trades is a good guy. He's a good guy. Why do you struggle with English? Bro, I don't know. I'm just not like an English speaking professional communicatingist major. That's probably why, man. That's probably why. Yo, Mads, that's a very valid question. You know what? If NQ flies, will a monitor be sacrificed? Chat. You know what would be so shitty as well is I just changed up the setup, cleaned up the setup and changed it up. See if I got a picture to show you guys. Not really, actually. Yo, I'll just take one now. Chat, this is what we're dealing with right now. No, NQ's going up, chat. This is what we're dealing with right now. Wait. Slacking low key. Here we go, chat. Can I see? Boom. That's what we're dealing with now. Feels like I'm in, oh no. NQ! Oh. Hurts, bro. Fucking. And my face is itchy and shit. Like my cheeks and shit. Why, man? What brand is that light from? Bro, good question, actually. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. More monitors equals more profits. W. Yo, this is such a rest in peace, man. God damn. Even YM is ugly as shit too right now, man. Damn. And NQ's gonna go to the highs without us, chat. Okay, wait. It's holding the high. It just spiked the high and we're getting a sell-off, chat. That's good news. That's great news. Sprinkle some coffee in your face. NQ is still valid, 100%. Oh, we spoke too soon. Time isn't real. We spoke too soon, bro. Because soon it's just gonna do the. Uh-oh, here we go. There's no way this thing just continues going higher and higher the next couple days. We're not giving us an entry, right? That would be insane. That would be insane. Uh-oh. Chat. Fuck, man. If everything is ugly, can we just short silver? Yo, that just sounds so degenerate. Oh, bro, that's annoying. That's annoying. This is a fucking beautiful setup. Since you've been featured in Chart Fanatics, my trading has improved significantly. Thank God. Wow, let's W. Let's go, bro. Congratulations. That's due to your hard work as well. How can I get involved in BTC short? This guy keeps asking me this question over and over, chat. What do we tell him here? What do we tell him? Maybe above 91? Maybe above 91K? Brother, you missed entry on US 30. I did not miss entry on US 30. Ethereum sold off to... The delivery on Ethereum has not been nice, though. Damn, look at the highs and shit. Like, I wonder when this thing goes long again, chat. I don't know, man. Because I do want to actually buy Ethereum, chat. The most ideal scenario would be price below these lows on Ethereum. That would be incredible. Marco, do you speak Italian? No, I only know bad words in Italian because I'm a scam. I only know bad words in Italian, bro. Marco, at the beginning it cost me a lot to start focusing more on liquidity, but now it's one of the most core foundations of my system. God bless you, brother. Really, thanks. W, let's go, bro. Marco, please tell me if there's a liquidity block at 25,658. No. No, sir. I want to price below the lows here, and I would have took longs up. But you guys know the drill. Sometimes when the open goes bullish, and I am bullish, it's a no bueno trading day. It's a no bueno trading day. That means you're not in the move. What happened to BTC? Sold off from the highs. Sold off from the highs. And yeah, look. YM's following suit, chat. YM's following suit. I definitely want to be... I'm more interested on NQ over any other industry right now. You know, this is a frustrating... You know what's funny, chat? I loaded up a futures personal account because I was going to look for longs down here. But everything happened so quickly, so I'm not in it. Because I was gonna hold a swing position. This was a swing setup from low to highs. Yo, chat, January's been a bitch to me. Oh, excuse me. What an annoying delivery. Where would you put your stop loss? No, I'm not in it because there was no area to put a stop loss, so I needed to look at lower time frames down here. But it was off the back of market open. Everything happened so quickly, right? Spike down and goes. I would have looked for entries down here. Can we see Adam's trading videos? Join the Discord, bro. Free Discord. Adam posts videos in there. Is there prop firms that let you hold overnight? I don't believe so. Futures wise, I don't believe so. Marco, what is the first thing you check before taking an entry? Always liquidity. I mean, I prioritize liquidity always. I want to see highs intact, lows intact. And like, just to keep this shit as simple as possible for you guys, chat. Like, if I'm bullish, I want to see the highs intact. Meaning I want to see liquidity to the upside, right? And then on the other side of things, I need to make sure that I see buyers induced and trapped. Okay? So if I'm buying, I want to see highs intact because that's my reason to go long. And then on the second step to that would be I need to see early buyers get trapped. So you see how early buyers get induced here, then they get trapped, and then you go long. Okay? So that's two important things I would need to buy. Highs intact because I need a reason to go long. Of course, I'm targeting liquidity. And after that, I need to see early buyers trapped. Okay, because I always want to be taking entries after early buyers are trapped. I missed your free webinar. There'll be more in the future. I ran a free webinar with Chart Fanatics Discord last week as well. So just keep your eyes open, chat. I'll be running more in the future for sure. So don't worry. BTC setup. Why is that not probable? Because I am short on BTC. No ifs, ands, or buts. I'm short. Why would I look for a buy? Oh, NQ. Chat. This is so rude of NQ right now. Like, so rude. Like, I'm sitting here with my fucking red face. My face is all red and shit. Why is it so itchy here, bro? If no entry, can we just start the giveaway? Oh, just tell me you hate me without telling me you hate me. Tell me you don't give a shit about me streaming. And no, you just want to see me do giveaways. Okay, that's no problem. I see how it is. I'm all I'm worth is a giveaway to you. Marco, can SA citizens... SA? I don't know SA. What is SA? Marco, in Forex, do you suggest weekend holding? I suggest holding it in Forex, period. Yes, sir. That's so cold? What's so cold, Damien? Marco, why aren't I open to the short opportunity on NQ? Okay. Chat, I need to lock in here for a second. Look at this. This is my buy target, all of these highs. I want to see price all the way back up to these highs. So, you guys know the drill. If there's a short, I'm typically not in it. And I don't give a shit to be in it. Looks like a day to stay away from trading, so I'm going to try and catch some sun to do my interval. See you tomorrow. W, Jan. Let's go, bro. Smash them out. What are you hitting today? What's your workout looking like? Tell chat first before you leave. What's the workout looking like? And I'm going to confirm if it's going to be a good workout or not. Okay? I'm going to let you know. Tell me the workout. Tell me the interval workout. Marco, I'm on a losing streak. Brother, basically, I think I'm in a... You can classify me as being in a losing streak as well. Last week, I got my ass handed to me. Marco, you also have a lot of short targets. Baran, I do not. I just spoke to you. I just have long targets, my bro. Can you check silver? Mads, are you joking me? Are you trolling me? I think you're trolling me. I'm getting trolled right now. Look. Probably 6 to 10 times 1,000. So, okay, you 6 buy or 10 buy K. Bit faster than threshold. I like that. 60 seconds rest, Jan. Lock that in. 60 seconds rest. If you're doing... I'd recommend doing threshold, though, if you were doing 60 seconds rest. 90 seconds rest. Okay. If it's a bit faster than threshold, that makes sense. Nah, Mads, you're trying to troll me. I know you. I know you. You were trying to troll me. Marco, when do you size down? Right now, actually, chat. Right now, because I'm trading right now on my copier 3 fundeds in futures, and they're all down 1.5%. Wait, they're all down 1.5%. So what I'm gonna do is size down on the next couple trades, 2-3 trades, catch my footing, build my confidence, and then I'll look to size back up. Last night I reached my profit goal on 150k account, got excited and screwed it up in the next trade immediately after. What the fuck? Oh god. Wait, so you reached the profit target or you didn't? Rest in peace, bro. Fuck. Marco, if you're free, there are a lot of Indian fans here. Can you look at Nifty? That's the Indian market? Nifty 50 index? Yo, I'm bearish on Nifty, bro. I'm bearish on this thing. I'm bearish on this thing. Yeah, we bearish on Nifty, bro. Yo, this thing looks fucked up though. It's all lots of gaps and shit. Marco, kindly check GJ. Yo, NQ, bro. It's just so sad sometimes, chat. Patience sucks sometimes, bro. It's necessary, but it sucks. Oh, like, look at this thing just go, bro. It's just not stopping. Fuck. Alright, someone said GJ. Yeah, bro, listen, guys, all Forex assets are no bueno to me right now. Wait until tomorrow at the least. And then if you guys actually want to wait properly, you wait till after FOMC. GJ could probably log after here, by the way. Excuse me. You can probably look for longs on GJ up to these highs here, 215. So that's about 540 pips away. So you got quite a ways. And we spiked out these lows here. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, I'll probably wait for Monday's low to get spiked through and you look for longs after. On GJ. Imagine a world without FOMC. Oh, that'd be so boring. Marco, can you chain link ticker crypto? I don't know what that means, Lena. Don't know what that means. The long wick acts as a liquidity block? Yeah, this definitely would be a liquidity block, but now, like, I would need to see price below these lows. Probably, actually, below these lows. RIP, bro. That's so sad. I was actually really keen on these longs this morning, chat. I was happy to wake up and look at the charts. Marco, do you miss more trades? Do I miss making less money? Is that the question you just asked me? You said, Marco, do you miss making less money? I do not. I do not. Listen, bro, sometimes it's hard. It's hard to wait because there's, especially when you're patient for so long and then there's a setup and then the entry doesn't come. For example, NQ, like you're waiting, and then finally you're waiting for an entry and the entry doesn't come, but the direction is so clear. So like you're like questioning yourself. You're like, fuck, like, are you just, is this like an overlook of like patience and shit like that? But it's not. It's just literally, this is just trading, bro. And sometimes there's gonna be slow months, and it sucks because slow months means you show up 5, 10, 15, 20 trading days, and it's slow for 20 trading days. And yes, it can do your head in sometimes, but you have to remind yourself that this is the reality of trading, right? I could have a rough January, but then God knows, maybe I could have the best month of trading in February like I've ever had. You never know what the next month has in store, the next week has in store, the next day has in store. You never know. That's why we show up every single day. We have a system, we have a plan. You follow it on a daily basis and you trust the process, bro. Trust the process. Conditions are going to be slow sometimes. The charts are going to be rough. But you just got to show up every single day. That's the power of consistency. Marco, NQ entry event will eventually come today, even if it's after 12 a.m. 12 a.m. Midnight? How long time do you, okay, maybe you meant to ask, how long do I trade every day? I'm usually off the computer around 11 a.m. Usually off around 11 a.m. Diaz says, yo, Marco, why would you prefer the Monday low on GJ to get spiked before the longs? What's the logic? So, big sell-off, market open and today. Okay? So, I know that price is not just going to spike and go. Okay? This is a high volume move over the course of the last 2 days. Price will range. Now, price will build however it wants to. And then after that happens, I want to see a trap and then a move the other way. So I'll look for longs below the low. That's all. Marco, I've been watching your videos for 2 weeks and I'm confused. Why is BTC falling? BTC is falling because I told it to fall. I called BTC on the phone and said fall right now. Build up a liquidity here, bro. You trap that liquidity and price is moving to the downside. That's it. And you have lows intact. That's all. Very simple. We've talked about this analysis quite a bit now, actually. Guys, I don't look at the FTSE 100, so you can stop asking me that. I have no idea what that even is. God, copy and pasting the same message over and over, man. What you said about the Monday low might be what I was missing. I was always looking for entries after the major sweep. We'll try to wait. Yeah, guys, listen. How many times, bro? Look at my face. It's all red and shit, chat. Look. How many times have I told you guys, stop trying to catch the tops, stop trying to catch the bottoms? And this is a great example on GJ right now, right? A higher time frame sweep occurs. Yes, sir. You want to look for longs, but why are you trying to catch this bottom right now? Just chill out, bro. Just chill out. Let price action develop. Yo, Adam, what's good, bro? Mr. Adam in the building. NQ said buy. No buys today? Oh, man, tell me about it. I was ready, Adam, bro. I was ready. Now, look. Probably going to wait for something like this now, Adam. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Who's a bit grumpy today? Yo, Damien, listen up. All right? If you saw how much snow hit yesterday, you'd be depressed too. Okay? What's happening, CF family? Yo, listen, guys. CF family. Brother Adam's in chat. Can we get a quick W Adam spam in chat? W Adam in chat. This guy's he's a homie. He's a brother. And he's a savage on the charts. Where's the TP on GJ? Bro, sometimes I feel like you guys aren't listening to me, man. Look what I marked over here. 215. Are we all listening when I'm talking? Chat, lock in, bro. Remember? I marked out this high. I said we can see price back up to 215.82. W Adam. Yes, sir. W Adam. Oh, NQ. Look at this. Marco taught the way. I just followed the goat. Yo, Adam, come on, bro. You can make me blush. Looks like I'm blushing over here at this fucking red spot on my cheek. God damn. It's fucking itchy. It's definitely a bug bite of some sort, bro. Haven't seen Hannah rage bait today. Is she sick at the moment? That's a good question. That's a good question. She's not rage baiting today, so she must be up to something. Adam says, more videos? Have you seen the videos Marco been dropping? Come on, fam. Lock in. Yo, Adam, for real, bro. Chat, yo, you guys got to tap in, man. I've been posting YouTube videos left, right, and center. 1 second. Okay, no, we're all good. I've been posting YouTube videos sometimes twice a week. Yo, at this point, you guys want me to have a full-time job of making videos for you guys. Every hour of every day, I'm just recording videos. Marco has had enough of some of you today. Yo, sometimes, bro, the thing is, if I'm like, nah, I won't even get into it. It's all good, bro. I understand. Maybe sometimes the people have their headphones off or their earphones out. I don't know. I gotta chill out. Bro's patience is wearing thin. Chat, look. Wait. I got patience on my hand. Can you see that? Chat. Anybody like my hand tattoos? Can you see them? Wait. Let me do this so you can see. Wait. Where am I? There I am. You see? Are we hand tattoo kind of people or no? What do people call that? Job stoppers, I think they call it. A hand tattoo is a job stopper. Yeah. We need a new second video on liquidity blocks. Bro, guys, I'm trying my best over here, man. Get patience on the wrist as well. How often do you do live streams? I'm on stream Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, so I'm back on tomorrow, chat. Lock in. Mark, I want to get tattoos. Talk about them. You want to get tattoos? Bro, go get tattoos. You just have to make sure you're not going to get in trouble from your job or from your partner or from your parents. I don't know, depending how old you are. Oh, you got it tatted on your wrist, Joe. I feel you. Bro, I have a 9-to-5 trading, started working on building AI. Tell me your point of view. That's good, bro. Looks to me like you're working hard. Keep at it. Keep at it. I'm going in shorts at these next highs, not those, the ones after. Tell me if that's good. Like you're going short above these highs? Listen, bro, I don't know. I don't know if that's good because I would not short this thing. And we got fucking NQ above this high now, bro. Oh, hell no, bro. We're going to wait all this time and not. It's crazy how all these markets operate sometimes, chat. It really is. Like, sometimes there's just too many entry opportunities. And I feel like I'm trading too much. I'm like, holy shit, there's an entry every single day. Other times, I swear, bro, there can be like no entry for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And that's when you got to stay composed, bro. It's like it's a game of survival, chat. When there's no entries, when your setup's not in play, and you're just looking to fucking trade just to take entries because of boredom. Terrible, bro, terrible. And it sucks sometimes, yeah. Like, I'm going to be completely honest. There's no trades today at all whatsoever, chat. There's not going to be any trades. So if you guys trade, you guys aren't trading my system. It'd probably be maybe some other strategy. But based off the charts right now, there ain't going to be any trades today. There ain't. And that's the reality. Shorts on NQ? Bro, Adam, tell me about it. How the hell could you short this thing? Look at the highs, bro. Adam, you weren't in here before, bro, but I loaded up a futures personal. And I was gonna swing long positions down here into the highs. But everything happened so quick at market open, bro. So sad. I put a few thousand in an account. I was just gonna try and flip it to like 10K and just withdraw it. Just off this move. Literally just off this move. That's all I was gonna look for. Because you can't hold futures on prop firms. So I just wanted a small personal account. High risk. And then, yeah, but. Marco, why did you change the colors of candles? Yeah, yo, I changed it up a bit, chat. I went back to a white chart, actually. I'm on a white chart right now. A little throwback. Wait, I'm not on a... It's actually not a white chart. Almost white chart. Bro, imagine the W. Yeah, Adam, trust me. This is an easy move to frame out. Easy. However, there's just no entries yet, bro. Like, down here was obvious. I want to price down here for longs. But it happened on market open. Look at the wick on this. Like, can't even get involved. And then today, I think, chat, with the benefit of hindsight, I don't even know. Maybe. Nah, there's no way. There's no way of taking this. Yeah, there's no way of taking this. There's no way of taking any sort of longs. We missed nothing. I'll be completely honest with you, chat. We missed nothing. There was no way. Market opened at the lows. Adam, tell me about it. Look. Fuck. This all happened literally at market open. The open is right here. 1 minute candle to the downside. Wick. And then see ya. We were down here, chat. We were below the lows. Probably for like 15 seconds. And that's it. Marco, I got involved in Asia since you took out the low you highlighted in the last week's stream. Which low? Talking about this low? The daily candle? Oh, Joe, what does it look like? Yeah, yo, look at that. Look at that, chat. Wild, bro. And we ain't in it right now. Marco, how do you decide when there are two setups at the same time? Do you take both? No. I will not take both. I will not take both. As soon as I saw H4 low swept, there was no sells. Yeah, down here. Son of a bitch, bro. Son of a bitch. Gold long, someone just said. God damn, chat. You guys are degens, bro. You guys are degens. How can we predict how much liquidity will get taken out? Guys, it's less predicting, more reacting. You react to where liquidity is built, and then you wait for it to get taken out, and you trade the other way. Right? So, for example, like, let's just use today's price action. Of course, the entry didn't come. But listen. I waited for price to build this liquidity. Why did it build? Look, low, respecting low. I can just draw a box here. It always makes everybody's life easier. So, price built liquidity here. All right, we can see that. So, you want to wait for price to go below it. So, we're literally reacting to where liquidity is built, wait for it to get taken, and then you look for entries. Stop trying to predict things, guys. Just show up in your session. All right. Show up in your session and react to what price is showing you. That's literally it. That's it. Longs look clean as fuck, Joe. Tell me about it. Look at this. This move right here. Chat, you don't understand. This induces the shit out of sellers. It was just a hard, even like looking at hindsight, sometimes you can kind of like make sense of something. Maybe the only thing I could say is here, chat. Something here. But like timing wise wasn't nice. Down here. And then up here, you could have said, yeah, we've taken out a low. You have a liquidity block here, sure. But we traded above the high. So there's too many, like there's too many, I don't care. Like even with hindsight. Didn't miss anything, in my opinion. Maybe tomorrow we can get an entry. Yeah, 100%. We're going to show up tomorrow and see if we can catch something. Hopefully this thing doesn't just continue to kind of like show a long all through the end of the day. Hopefully it just ranges and shit. But yeah, we'll wait and see. YM's probably following suit. It is. If gold takes out those equal highs as short as possible. Bro. Guys. Am I getting trolled, chat? I'm getting trolled. If gold takes out these equal highs, can we short all-time highs? The market is boring. Sing a song to us, Marco. Yo, what the fuck? Come on, man. Look at the longs on Euro, chat. Look at the longs on Euro, bro. Marco, how long does it take you to pass the challenge? If I'm trading actively and there's setups, bro, it could take me a couple days sometimes. 2 days, 3 days. If there's no setups, bro, it could take me God knows how long. All depends on market conditions. 433 viewers and only 174 likes. It doesn't work. The math doesn't, it's not mathing. The math isn't working. It's not making sense. So, you guys know the drill, chat. And I'm going to talk to Anthony right now. 1 second. What do we have to give away today? Anthony, can you please message me on my cellular device and let me know what the giveaways are looking like? Anthony just said, okay, the first rule for today's giveaway is, and Anthony said this, listen, he's the boss. He said, you have to like the stream in order to enter today's giveaway. So if you like the stream, you'll be entered into today's giveaway. So you have to like the stream. Once you like the stream, we're going to run giveaways. Apex, Funded Next, Tradezilla. This guy type exclamation mark gold. Yo, we should set up a command for gold. If you like the stream, chat, we can run the giveaways. That's how you enter into today's giveaway. You gotta like the stream. That's it. Watch, chat. Watch. Watch. Boom. I liked it. I liked it on my own channel too. Oh shit. I liked it on my own channel too. Boom. So you guys gotta like the stream too, bro. Come on, man. It's free, man. You know how much it costs you guys? Nothing. $0. Zero. Today is just meh. Today is definitely meh. We'll run some giveaways soon, chat. Okay, you know what we'll do? Know what we'll do? Because there's absolutely nothing to even look at right now. Let's frame out some higher time frame stuff. Let's see what we're looking like on the higher time frames across all assets. Okay? I'm going to show you guys what I'm thinking. So NQ. Lows taken out. Okay? Again, lows taken out. I'm bullish on this thing up to these highs at the least. Okay? Now, how can we capitalize on tomorrow? Okay, right now we can't. We've just taken out this high. I need to see price build liquidity again. What do I mean by that? I'm going to give you guys an example. Now, does this have to happen? Excuse me. I'm like burping and shit right now. Does this have to happen? No. But can it happen? Sure. Look, price comes down and we move away. So we build here. Look. So we have liquidity down there. Now you wait for price to trap the buyers there and you go long. That's an example. Chat.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Bro. This is crazy, bro. You know what sucks, chat? Now I don't even want to trade gold anymore. Now when it's not at all-time highs in the next days or weeks, I don't even want to trade it anymore, bro. Look at it. Really be your own people. It really be your own people. You know who did this today, Chad? That was Anthony who did that. Anthony's on full troll mode now. And then you guys are typing !gold. I'm checking gold. Oh my God. Okay, back to what I was talking about before I got rudely interrupted by Anthony and chat Nightbot and you guys chat and you guys trolling me. Okay, so higher time frame wise, we gotta wait on NQ right now. I need to see where we build liquidity. Okay, we need to see where we build. So that's just an example of what I drew up before. Gold, stop that. I'm not looking at gold. Okay, chat, you guys are disgusting. You guys are making me sick to my stomach. YM, back up to the highs. Back up to the highs. Yeah. Same thing on NQ. Same thing as NQ. I need to see where we build. So YM sidelined. Oof. Oof. This is a hard one, bro. You know what? Let's get an idea of where this thing could be heading to long term. Bro, could this thing continue to fly forever? I think it could. Aussie? Yo, chat. This is crazy. This is crazy. Aussie has a long way to go. I'm talking 1,100 pips. Just need to see. Okay, actually, I know where this thing needs to go to. I'm nice like that. This is the next target on Aussie right there. This is the next target. Holy shit. Yo, we just need to see a pullback. And you could swing this thing. Yo, the higher time frame looks crazy on Aussie. Crazy. It's just no entries, really. Because this delivery over here sucks poo-poo. Higher time frame wise, bro. Yo, this thing, once there is an entry, chat, holy shit. No joke. Hold it to this high. I'm going to... Yo, I think the dollar... Wait, okay. You know what? Because I'm bullish on Aussie, bullish on Euro... short on all these dollars. Yo, okay, I want to look at the dollar. Chat, I'm going to look at the dollar here. I think we're going to get an absolute... And we are. Look at this thing, and it's going to fold. This thing is going to fold, chat. It's going to fold. The dollar's cooked, bro. The dollar's so cooked. And same with my stomach because of this coffee. Damn. Yo, the dollar's going to fucking die all the way back down here. Very bearish on the dollar, bro. Very bearish. Damn, bro. You have all these internal points. This will be the next destination. And then you got lows down here. 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 Yo, very, very bearish on the dollar. This is higher time frame, higher perspective. So get off that 5-minute chart. Okay. This is long-term perspective, but holy shit. Yes, we have opportunity to the downside on the dollar. Yo, is the US dollar done for, bro? Yo, the US dollar is done for. Yo, chat. No bullshit. The US dollar's done. It's cooked. Are we gonna see some insane times in the world? If the dollar's gonna be worth dog shit? Let me look at USD CAD, comparing it to my currency up here in... Yo. Oh my god, we got some downside on USD CAD, bro. Oh my god. I'm very bearish on the dollar, yeah. Holy shit. Dollar is cooked. Dollar is cooked, chat. I do agree. 100%. I mean, look at this thing. I don't see anything but downside on the dollar right now. Look at this. This is the 3-month, so it's like fucking long term as shit, but weekly wise, bro, if somehow, some way the dollar gets above these highs, fucking fold city. You see a pullback occur on the weekly, and then boom, off a cliff, and then you just see this thing free fall to these targets. Since the dollar is low, I can buy valuations on props quite cheap. This guy's 200 IQ on us right now. Yeah, damn chat, this is crazy. I'm actually in awe right now because I wonder what this is gonna mean for the world, for America. I wonder what this is gonna mean for America. And you know what? I've kind of been leaning more towards this for the last couple years because there was a stat, chat. Maybe someone can correct me if I'm wrong in here. There was a stat I read over COVID, and it was like 70% of all US dollars in existence were printed in the last like 3 years. That was during COVID. Of course, during the Biden administration. Sleepy Joe. But I feel like Trump is now going to feel the effects of the Biden administration. The dollar is just like, there's no demand. There's no demand. Because of how many US dollars are in existence right now, how much was printed over COVID. But that stat is insane. I remember when I heard that in COVID, it was like 70% of all, listen to this chat, 70% of all US dollars in existence were printed in the last like 3 years or something like that. Bro, that's insane. That means there's going to be such low demand. If the demand is low for the dollar, price is going to fucking fall. And I see that occurring. And then looking at it on the opposite side, like Euro USD, AUD USD, I see some heavy upside targets. I feel like there's going to be some crazy shit coming, man. Some big moves. Be so nice to be involved in this, bro. I need to figure a way to get involved in this. Swing. I have swing accounts on CFDs, so. But wow, yeah. I need to see some sort of pullbacks on Aussie because these are really nice longs. Looking at this from the higher time frame, chat. So lock in the next couple weeks, the next Q1 at least, because this is the January candle so far, bro, and this thing is looking bullish as fuck. If this thing just continues through the month, February, I'd probably presume it's going to be a little bit slower. March, a low of the month in March, and then continuations March, April. So lock in, chat. We got some time though. It's January. We're showing a move right now, aggression. February slow, March continuation. That's what I'm going to frame this right now. That's how I'm going to frame this. You have to understand, we're on the monthly chart here, chat. You know what I mean? Like, this is long term, bro. You could see this move finishing in the Q2. But bro, you guys want to make some serious money? In my opinion, swing trading. Intra-week swing trading. Fucking man, you can make so much money. Anybody saw the short squeeze on NQ? Oh, you talking about just maybe the open? I hate swing trading, bro. It's the most peaceful way of trading, in my opinion. I make more money. I can confidently say I make more money when I hold positions, aka CFDs, rather than futures. And I've been thinking lately, chat, and this is something I gotta figure out, man. I'm interested in opening up a. Well, I actually already did, but maybe putting more into a futures personal so I can swing, hold on NQ and YM, maybe even gold. I make way more money when I hold positions. I make less money when I scalp. It's just not. I'm not strong with it. I got to get better at it too. It's a weakness of mine, scalping. But that's like my weakest suit. My strongest suit is holding, because like when I have a higher time frame target, I'm very confident in those targets. Very confident. German 40. I'm pretty sure German 40 probably going long as well. I'm long on this thing too, chat. It's just not as clean though, for obvious reasons. It's just coming off the back of all-time highs, right? So prices come down, swept internal. And then today we swept internal on the daily and we've gone bullish. All right, and now probably next target on German 40 will be these highs. Confidence doesn't equal profits. Profits equal confidence. That's an interesting take. Do you have a personal account for trading? I do. I just said, yeah, Alina, I opened up a futures personal account. Actually, I opened one up months ago, but I funded it over the weekend because I wanted to be in this. I wanted to see, because over the weekend, price was sitting right here, right? And I wanted to see price below the lows and then along. So I wanted to be in this on a personal account from low to high. But you guys saw how the fucking market opened up yesterday. Look at this shit, bro. Look. Son of a bitch. So no. Oh shit. Yo, I'm getting word from the wifey that, yo, that's my bad, Alan. I think apparently you've corrected me before. It's not Alina, it's Alan. And I've been tripping out because it's A-L-E-N-A. Is it Alan? Alan. Okay. I got you now. I got you. That's my bad. That's my bad, chat. Sometimes I'm just off my game. Thousands of contracts just got stopped out trying to short these 852s. Yo, it's longing, bro. It's longing, bro. Oh God. This is a hard move, bro. Look, even if you look at it, I don't use the fib. I really don't. But like, look, chat, if you fib this from low to high, look, price never even came back into like the 50%. So this was never even like delivered. This is just a hard move to be in, bro. Even from a higher time frame perspective. Hey, you come live every Monday? I'm here live every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, chat. Okay, chat, listen up. Listen up, man. Listen up. All right. We got to run some giveaways. By the way, yo, you guys like the new background on the screen? You guys can see it maybe on my camera. Look. Fucking sexy Porsche. W Porsche. W Porsche. All right. Bro, you don't trade gold? I do not trade gold at all-time highs. Okay. I really like the picture. Chat. Should we get a little what's the word I'm looking for here? Fuck, I don't know the word I'm looking for. Look at the picture of me and the wifey. Look how happy we are, chat. And then another one we have over here is this one. Cuties. Oh, chat. Now I'm blushing, man. Oh, I'm blushing, chat. Oh, baby, how am I looking this morning? Thank you. All right, chat. I'm sorry. Okay, listen. We have giveaways for you today. Here we go. Okay, chat. So, first step is you have to like the stream. You gotta like the stream. In order to get entered in today's giveaway, you gotta like the stream. Second step is you have to type a word in the chat, and I'm gonna tell you which word. So 1 second. 1 sec. You're gonna have to type a word in chat, and I'm gonna let you know what that is. It's gonna be on my screen, so I'm gonna show you my screen, and this is gonna be okay. You ready? Boom. Exclamation mark word. I got you guys, chat. I got you guys. Because I said, you're going to have to type a word. And it's word. See what I did there? Oh my god, I'm so funny, chat. I'm so funny. What the hell is Paglu? Paglu? Someone type Paglu? Oh my god, guys, wifey entered the giveaway. Listen, if she wins, bro, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. She's probably just gonna full port her account anyways. But hey, if she wins, she wins. Fair game. Fair game to the wifey if she wins. All right, let me get the Wheel of Fortune already on my end over here, so we're all good to go. Exclamation mark word in chat, and you will be entered into today's giveaway. We are giving away, chat. So wait, sorry. There's 2 steps to the giveaway. I always forget. The first step is you have to like the stream. Okay, once you like the stream, you get an extra entry. Who doesn't want an extra entry into the giveaway? Extra entry if you like the stream. And you have to type in exclamation mark word in chat, and you will be entered into today's giveaway. W, bro. One second, chat. W's. We hit over 400 likes. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to leave it open for another 10 seconds here. 10 seconds. All right, and we are going to, boom, shut her down. We're shutting her down. No more entries. No more entries, chat. No more entries on today's giveaway. All right. Let me get the 1 second, chat. All right. Sorry, 1 sec. Here we go. I got the names from Mr. Anthony. All right, chat. Here we go. You guys can't see my screen yet. 1 second. Boom. Giveaways are starting. Bro, I've texted you on Instagram. Message me again. I don't know. I try to answer everybody, bro. Okay. Listen, the first giveaway. Listen. I hope everybody's listening. The first giveaway is going to be for a free Apex account. Free Apex account. And I'm just going to let everybody know that. 1 second, because for some reason some people are still typing. Entries are closed. Okay. First account is going to be for a free Apex account. Free Apex. Lock in, chat. Here we go. Lock in, chat. Here we go. Here we go. Apex. Free Apex account. Anime Mazashir. You in here, bro? Talk to me. Anime Mazashir. Did everybody just get timed out from the bot? Because how many times you try to spam the entries? It doesn't work like that. You guys realize the more you type it, it doesn't actually enter you in more than once. Here, congratulations. W, please follow instructions in chat to claim your giveaway. W, man, congratulations. Free Apex account. Next is going to be for Funded Next, chat. Here we go. Funded Next. I'm gonna sneeze. Damn. Sanir Samaham. Funded next. Congratulations, bro. W. You know what, Kurt? Just because you always show love, I'm going to get your name manually entered in. Sanir, where are you at, though? Sanir, where are you at? We might have to do a respin, chat. We might have to do a respin. Oh, there you are. You're here. Sorry. I missed you. That's my bad. Someone's trying to convert me to Islam? Yo, chat. You guys kill me. Okay. I'm going to get your name entered in, though, Kurt. I got you. Listen, you always show love, bro. I'm always going to help out whenever I can, chat. If you guys are showing love, man, come on. I got you. Kurt, I got you entered in. Okay? Quiet Storm says interesting. I don't know what is interesting, but interesting. Are we throwing Bible verses and shit? No, guys. Hey guys, listen, let's just keep religion out of the chat. Everybody has their own views. Everybody has their right to their own views. Let's just keep it all out of the chat. No politics shit. No religion. Okay, guys? To each their own. That's all I'm going to say. To each their own. Okay, next giveaway is going to be for TradeZella. All right, so chat, lock in. If Kurt wins, this is going to be crazy. If Kurt wins, this is going to be really crazy. Or Wifey. Where's Wifey at? Here we go. Byron Moonsamy. W Byron. Where you at, bro? Byron. Oh, Brian. Bro, I cannot read. It's Brian. Byron. Why did you read Brian like that? Yo, baby, you just gotta cut me some slack sometimes, bro. I'm just talking so much on a Monday morning. Sometimes I just forget English. Byron. Oh my God, bro. Yo, congrats, bro. Where you at, Brian? Here you are. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself a 3-month subscription to TradeZella. Welcome to the family. Marco, reading equals Kai Cenat. Yo, for real sometimes, bro. I feel like it's like I show speed. That guy, when he reads, is something else, bro. Okay, listen, chat. Yo, we had a little bit of a shorter stream today, but there's nothing, right? I'm sorry. We went over the high time frame, so we have an idea of what shit's going to be looking like going forward. But tomorrow, I'm back here. I better see all of you guys back in the chat tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to have some entries to take. Okay, so lock in. I will see you guys back in here 9 a.m. tomorrow. There's no snow, so I won't be late, I promise. Today was a little bit of an exception. Tomorrow, 9 a.m., I will see you guys back in here. Yo, Marco, stop yapping. Go check something shiny. I know what that means, and you guys are trolls. I will see you guys back in here tomorrow, 9 a.m. You know the drill. Trade safe. Be safe. We'll talk soon, guys. All the best. Take it easy.